Hello, all you wonderful people out in YouTube land, and welcome to the Dollar Store Pour. Thank you so much for joining me. It is a beautiful day to paint, so let's go ahead and get to it. So today I'm going to try my hand again at a ring painting or swirl or tree ring, whatever you call it. Doing things a little differently this time. You'll find that out momentarily. As you can tell, it's a blue background I'm working on. Really, I'm only using blue because I had some of that left over from the previous painting. And I just wanted to have a little bit of moisture, a little bit wet paint on the canvas so the paint will move around a bit better. I'm going to be making two rings. The first are going to have, again, leftovers from the previous painting. Got the turquoise, the purple, the violet, and the green. And on the other side, I've got red, blue, and black. And the only thing I've added to these paints are some PVA glue and some water. And I'm just going to go ahead and make a couple of dirty cups here, or dirty pour cups, or whatever you call it. Just layering the colors. Don't want a whole lot of that darker green. I want this one to stay quite light. And that will do it for the purple. Probably overkill with the size of this canvas, but I'd really rather have too much than too little. Also, if I let this paint sit too long, it'll start to get a little lumpy, and I don't want that to happen, because that's not really good for anything. So the light is ready, and now for the dark. We're just going to be primarily the red and blue. I'm just going to use a tiny bit of the black. I find that the black very quickly overpowers. Maybe I just use too much of it generally, I'm not sure, but either way, I'm not going to use a lot of the black. And we're almost done here. Do it for the red. And let's get the blue. And that'll do it for the blue. Just add a tiny bit more black on top. Alright. So, I'm going to start. Well, I guess for no real reason, arbitrary, with the darker cup up in this sort of corner. And with this, you want to go nice and slow, or as slow as you can, while maintaining a steady pour. And just tiny circles. The paint will spread out as you pile more and more on there. white down in this corner. Well, not quite the corner, but you know. Well, those are green and purple. I'm not picking up any blue yet. Dark green, I mean. Blue's in the other color. Of course I'm not going to get any blue here. My goodness. It's been a long day. Long morning. Yeah, anyway. I think the dark might have been watered down a little bit more. It seems to have spread more than the light. But that's alright. In a couple minutes we'll go ahead and swirl this all around. See what we get. And what I'm going to do, that'll do it for that, is try to get it right in the center. Do a bit of a yin-yang thing. Put a little bit of light in the dark, and then I'll do a bit of dark in the light. Just to see what we get. Oops. Just a bit, just a touch. That ought to do it. I've got some in reserve here just in case. And we're going to go ahead and swirl this around a little bit. And I'm going to try to do sort of circular rather than just going from one end to the other end. Try more a circular motion to try to maintain those the tree ring look of it. I mean, to a degree, at some point I'll probably have to be a little more aggressive to make sure I get it all over. I'll go back the other way. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more already. Put some of the dark in the middle there. And a little bit of light. Just a bit, just so you get a bit more movement here. All right. And again, sort of circular, sort of a wide, clunky circles. Sort of. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more just in this corner here. And a bit more of the light as well. see here. That might be enough. No, just a tiny bit more. Yeah, I think that'll do it. I like how that looks. Not sure if the camera is picking up all the details. Let me just get a little bit of a close-up here. I don't know if you can pick up on all those rings or not. Let's see. Just get a little closer. Alright, well that's going to do it for me. I don't need to let it sit because I didn't add anything that's going to cause any crazy reaction. No cells or anything like that. Hope you liked what you saw. If you did, go ahead and throw a like my way. It'd be greatly appreciated. Feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll be notified when the next painting comes out. And thank you again for watching, and I will see all you wonderful people next time.